Alright, we're back at it again. Today we're not going to be improving the performance of the car, but we are going to be doing something related to drag racing. I've already got my full suit, gloves, shoes, head sock, all of that stuff. The only thing I have been missing is a neck collar, some sort of neck support device. That's what we got in the box today. We're going to be installing this onto our helmet, adjusting it correctly so that I can use it properly whenever I'm racing. It's a pretty cool looking piece. This is the Rev 2 Lite. Got it on a special deal through Summit. This one was actually very decent priced. Plus the added safety to make sure that we're taking care of myself in this rocket ship. Depending on the helmet that you have, you can either drill it out, install the pieces, or if you already have a helmet with the additional bolt-on pieces, then it's just pretty much a bolt-on kit. So luckily for us, my Simpson beat up helmet already has the additional set screws there, so we can just go ahead and basically just bolt the kit onto the helmet and then get it adjusted properly. I don't necessarily keep this taken care of as well as I should. I'm going to go ahead and take the visor off so I don't scratch it any further. Plus it needs a little bit of a cleaning, so we're going to go ahead and do that. I might end up buying a new visor for this season. Oh, gotta be careful not to lose this little doodad on these helmets. I'm gonna take these Texas 2K stickers off. They give you these whenever your helmet passes tech on Texas 2K because they are they're very strict. So I would say like right there, we want it 45 degrees pointed up towards the visor area. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the install on the helmet side. We still have to get everything adjusted on myself basically. So I'm gonna need the help of my lovely wife to be able to do that. What's it smell like? It smells like winning. Alright, so get yourself your drink and go ahead, hop in the race car, and we're gonna have to put the neck brace on you, get you strapped in, put the helmet on, and then I have to measure to see how much slack it is. And then once you do it, then I can hop in and do it. And you're gonna have to make sure. Huh? Oh, okay, yeah, just get in. Alright, just let it kind of sit there for a moment. Make sure these hoops aren't against the seats. Next step, you're gonna grab the helmet. Can you grab the helmet?
No.
Without breaking. Yeah, thanks. Try not to scratch everything in the world while you're putting the helmet on. Jeez.
I can't get this on.
Why? Put it on.
How am I supposed to put it on?
Turn your neck over. Right there. Yeah.
This is not gonna fit over my ponytail.
Got it?
It's so heavy.
Is your ponytail on?
Babe, I'm not taking my ponytail off.
Alright. There you go. Okay, now face forward. I'm gonna strap your little neck pieces in there. Wrap this dealy in.
So why are you doing this? Oh.
Take a left. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. And now forward.
Ow.
Okay, stand. Sit right there, okay? So now I gotta measure this.
Alright, well now you're...
To measure it's 2 inches, which should be. Put the gloves on too.
I don't know what to do. don't even know how to put this on. I've lost my other gloves. So why couldn't Solomon do this?
He's not here.
He was here. No. Well, Harry was here yesterday. Why didn't you get him?
We were busy working on the car.
Is this what you do?
Is that what I do?
Yeah.
Alright. How do you feel?
Sweaty?
Do you feel safe?
No.
Got a little bit of concern with this being over here, but I think you're just small. Maybe your shoulders are just smaller. You really do?
How do I start it?
Okay. Alright.
I can't see that.
Hit the ignition.
How do you get this off? Oh. So sweaty. Okay.
Hit the ignition up top.
This one?
Hit the ignition first.
Hit
Hit that first.
Yeah.
Okay, that'll get the fuel pumps going and everything.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and put your right foot on the brake there.
It doesn't.
Make sure, or your left foot, yeah, make sure the brake's on.
Okay.
And you're gonna hold the starter until it starts. Hold it.
Is it gonna go forward?
No, it's a
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Positive.
Positive.
Why is it?
How was that?
I'm so nervous.
So nervous. You look good, Stretton.
I can't see anything though.
Grab your cam lock,
There.
this piece first, and you're gonna twist this little knob. There you go, all the way. It's gonna release everything. Okay, just hang on these over, hang that over. That one stays on. It goes over the center console. This one goes this way, and you're gonna have there's two tethers on the sides behind your ear. You feel them? You pull them.
These?
Yeah, pull on them. Okay, there you go. Okay. Now take the neck brace and put it over there too. Great. And you can get out.
Nothing. Does it fit? Too much Coke.
Alright. I always got to make sure these tabs are on the outside. Neck brace. Then I can start putting my harness on. Yeah. You see what I mean though? It's kind of bunching up. I think towards right here. Or maybe yours is just because you're different. Does it go on there good?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah? Okay. It's just on you then. So that needs to go there. Then I can put my helmet on. And then I can strap myself down. All right. Okay, so I might need to shorten it just a hair more. And I think I'll be all right. Okay, same thing coming out. Just need to unhook it. Oh. Once I get that off, all I gotta do is just release the belts, hang them over, take off my neck collar, and that's it. I'll have to play with it and make sure that it just becomes routine for me. That's the new upgrade, making sure that I am safe. I told them to leave a comment if they liked watching me move the car. That's it for now. I'm gonna get back to work.